One of CoAP's strengths is maintaining the concept of resources and always identifying them through URI. We will see how URI are transported in CoAP. First, CoAP will add a CoAP authority that is structured like HTTP. We remember that a URI is structured with a scheme, authority that will serve to designate a unique namespace, but also for CoAP and HTTP, the server. It is followed by a path designating the resource and finally query that allows specifying what the client wants in the request. We'll focus on paths and query, which are the elements transported in requests, the others being used to locate the server with the protocol's IP address and port. Instead of sending the path and query in a single block, the client will break them down into basic units to facilitate processing. On the server, we will therefore have a repetition of options containing these elements. Separators are not taken into account. Thus, in the example, we will encode the first element with a delta 11 or 0xb in hex, since it's the first, followed by the length and characters. The other path elements have a delta of 0. For query, we proceed in the same way. The delta is 4 for the first since URI query equals 15. The format of the information that we expect for a GET and the format of the data that we transport for a POST or a response to a GET should also be contained in a message option. The accept option is used to indicate what we expect, and the content format option to indicate what we're transporting. This table gives the most common values that we will encounter. 0 is the default value if nothing is specified.